Hey everyone, welcome to this Grow90 courseX program. I am Jadash and I'll be your instructor for this program. Alright. So in this video, I'll tell you what is the minimum requirement in order to get into this field and why you should get into this field. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, let me give you my introduction. I am a final year undergraduate at IIT Madras. Alright. I'm an aerospace engineer. Alright. I am doing aerospace engineering at IIT Madras, but I have 4 years of experience in this field. Okay, and I have done couple of internship in data science, 2 internships, and then software development. I have done 2, Perpule and SocGen. This SocGen gave me pre-placement offer, and I have also done 1 internship in robotics. So in all this this software development played a major role. Okay, and so the second thing is, even though I am from aerospace engineering, I could easily excel in this field. So the point is, department doesn't matter whether you are from mechanical or electrical or any other department. The department doesn't matter in order to get into this field. Alright, so there is not as such requirement for getting into this field. Alright. So yeah, and if you want to know more, I love singing and playing guitar. So yeah, if you want to know more about me, you can go to jodas.github.io. Alright, so yeah. So the next thing is, you know that there is no minimum requirement or that department doesn't matter. So the next question is, why you should select software development? To answer that question, let me tell you, software development actually gives you a ultra level of like you get an ultra level of power in order to do automations and innovations. So if you know software development, you can easily do automations. For any other department, there is a high barrier to entry. Okay, but for software development, you just need a laptop. Right. So for software development, the barrier to entry is less, because in other department, the capital you would need in order to get your systems ready is higher. But in this, you just need 30k in order to buy a laptop, and then you can easily excel into this field. Alright. So the level of automation you can achieve with less capital is very high. Alright. I remember that the first automation that I did using software development is I sent spam mails. I have sent spam mails to all my friends, and it actually felt really powerful. So yeah, the automation and the innovation that you can do using software development is really high. Let me give you an example. See, look at WhatsApp. Alright, they are impacting more than billions. They're impacting billions of lives. Alright, with just 20 to 40 core members or the main developers, they're impacting billions of lives. Now look at Indian Railway. They are also impacting, but the numbers are in millions. The number of employees in Indian Railway are in millions. So yeah, so you can see there is a huge difference. Only 20-40 people are impacting billions, and here millions of people are impacting billions. So you can see that with software development, you can impact a huge number of life. Alright, huge number of peoples. Alright, so that's why you should select software development. The second thing is, it's remote work. Alright, why software development? Because in other department you have to work on site. Alright, but in this department you can do remote work. Alright, you can just stay in your house, in your home, and work from there itself. And it was found that this was much more productive than going into the office, as it was actually in the later stage, Twitter and Shopify actually made it possible for eternity, forever for the employees. So anyone in Twitter who wants to work in Twitter and Shopify, so you can actually work directly from your home. Alright. Yeah, so if you work from home, much of the work will be done. Alright, so that's the thing. So from home you can work, and remote work can only be done if you are into this field. Now the third thing is highest paid salaries. This is a report of IIT Madras, or my college placements. Alright, I have taken it from placement portal of IIT Madras. Alright. So in this report, you can see that the highest package that anyone received is in aerospace, CS department. So you can see that people who are working for computers, they who are computer science engineer actually get more package than any other engineering. Alright. So if you are in any other, if you do software development, the salary will be much higher than any other kind of engineering. Alright. Now the fourth thing is high in demand. Alright. The opportunity that you will receive if you do this, if you learn this skill is very high. As you can see, 90% of the computer science engineers are placed, right, compared to 70 and 60% of aerospace and 18 and 19% of physics. Alright. So this shows that the demand of computer scientists or computer science or the software engineers are really high. Now the next thing is you get to learn this art of problem solving and creativity. Alright, so you will be directly working on a product that will actually impact a lot of people's life. So there will also be problem that will arise. Okay, so in this field you can actually solve problems. Alright, there is the numerous number of problems, so you actually will be solving problems and for the users. Alright, by making a piece of software or something. So there will be a lot of a problem solving task, right? And also there is a creativity, like if you are doing any kind of UI UX design or something like that, then you are actually using your creative mind in order to achieve the best product. Alright, so yeah, in this field you will actually be learning these two skills, problem solving and creativity. Okay, so the next thing is entrepreneurship or freelancer work. So if you're into any other field, getting into entrepreneurship is really tough. You can see from the last many unicorn startup, most of the co-founders are software developers. Okay, so if you are into this field, you can easily incubate you can easily get into entrepreneurship. Also, you can actually earn by doing freelancer work. So yeah, so that's why this field is a very very much flexible. Alright, you can get into any of this field very easily, entrepreneurship or freelancing work. Alright, so that's why you should select software development. That's why you should learn software development. It's a very useful skill, and I promise you that if you learn this skill, it will be really helpful for you, not only for getting internships, but also for your placements or any other future opportunity. So yeah, so now you are motivated. Now in the next video we'll see what is software development and how you can learn it. Alright, so yeah.